Hello everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. In this video, we are going to look at how to build and fully customize a 100% stacked column chart in Power BI using our sample Superstore dataset. While a standard stacked column chart changes the total height of each column to display absolute values, a 100% stacked column chart normalizes your data, forcing every single vertical column to reach the exact same height of 100%. Instead of comparing total volumes, this chart shifts the focus entirely to the relative percentage contribution of each internal segment. To get started, let's navigate over to the Visualizations pane, located on the right-hand side of your report interface. Look at the very first row of visual chart icons. Click on the sixth icon from the left, labeled 100% stacked column chart. Remember, because it says column, our bars will run vertically from the bottom up. Once you click it, a blank gray visual framework placeholder will drop directly onto your report canvas. First, let's establish our bottom baseline groupings. From your orders table data, click and drag the category column and drop it directly into the X-axis bucket. Second, let's bring in our numerical metrics. Grab the sales column and slide it straight into the Y-axis bucket. Third, let's create our percentage breakdown. Grab your region column and drag it down into the legend bucket. Look at your canvas now. Every vertical column rises to the exact same total height at the top, split into beautiful, color-coded internal percentage segments for your Central, East, South, and West regional sales. Right now, it's difficult to read the exact breakdown metrics. Let's apply some clean corporate formatting to make this presentation ready. With your column chart selected, click the Format Visual Paintbrush icon right here in the pane. Scroll down until you find the Data Labels option and toggle it to On. Notice the magic of this visual type. Power BI automatically calculates and prints the exact percentage amount right inside each column stack, saving you from writing manual DAX formulas. If you hover over any segment with your mouse, the tooltip will still reveal the underlying raw sales currency value alongside that calculated percentage. If you want to change these default colors to match a corporate style guide, simply scroll down to the Columns drop-down option right below this menu to swap out individual color buckets. And that's it. That is everything you need to know to create a professional 100% stacked column chart in Power BI. If this clear, step-by-step tutorial made Power BI a little easier for you today, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, precise software lessons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.